How to reset settings to default in Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So basically there are two different methods of resetting your settings to default in Messenger. The number one is uninstall your Messenger application and then reinstall it back. The other option is first locate your Messenger application, tap and hold on the app, then go to its app info. Now go to its storage section and then simply tap on clear data. After that, re-log in to your account and your settings will be set to default. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.